We're once again back to the automated drone farming. That's right, guys. Last time, you might have noticed we had a smaller farm. That's because in between videos, I figured out how to grow the farm. It turns out that you just have to click the expand button right here. I did not know this. I had no idea. We can also increase our speed finally once we have 50 carrots. We can do whatever we want. I made this cool offset grid. We separated the movement from the planting. The movement is just based on where you are. The planting is a mod 3, so like every, I guess, fourth? 0, 1, 2, 3? Yeah, every fourth one. No, it should be every third one. Yes, it's a 3 long pattern, and it just repeats forever and ever and ever. As you can see right there. So right now, we're learning, we're expanding, we're gonna increase our drone speed because I want it to be even faster. And it looks like soon we'll have enough carrots to increase the size of the farm. And because of how I made this code, hopefully it should work, right? Question mark? Question mark? I don't know. How much more do we need? We just need 2 more carrots. We're blazing through this. Oh god, it's too huge. It's too huge. Can I zoom out somehow? Yes. Yes, I can zoom out. Oh, but now they're next to each other. That's a problem. I don't think the trees like to be next to each other. Thankfully, our farm's so big that it really doesn't matter. It truly does not matter. We also have and now. We got it here. We can plant pumpkins if we want. We already unlocked this. Oh, we can unlock cactus? We can unlock polyculture? What? Plant type. There's companion plants? Ooh. Well, first we need 3,000 pumpkins. So we're gonna change this code a little bit. Oh, I unglued it. No, get glued. Glue back on. Oh, everything's going wrong. Everything's going wrong. There we go. There we go. We're back. Okay, drone, you're freaking me out a little bit. Can we expand one more time? No, we need 1,000 pumpkin. So if you remember, pumpkin likes to grow in a box. They like to grow in a square. So I think what we're gonna do is if, not of, if. I wish this keyboard was easier to see. Let me mess with the keyboard real fast. Can I get like a fixed color or something? Anything? Maybe? Maybe? Oh, there we go. There we go. It's a fixed color. It's a fixed color. I can see. I can see. I'm no longer blind. If get plus X is less than 3, let's say, and get position Y is less than 3. Oh, I cut it. I meant to copy. And X position X is less than 3. I would like for you. Oh, hold on. We need a colon. Then plant. Oh, does pumpkin needs tilled? Yeah, they need to be tilled. They need to be tilled. If the ground's not tilled, till it. And then plant entities. Pumpkin. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put an else. And then all the rest of the code that we have is gonna go right in there. Hopefully indented correctly. It's not indented correctly. This is a problem. This looks right. If water, yes, water should be independent of everything. You need to go out here. Okay, so if you're outside of the pumpkin area, don't plant pumpkins. Okay, we got pumpkins. We got pumpkins. Let's see what happens with the pumpkins. Oh, they're joining up. They're joining up. Yes, this is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. I wish we could fix this tree situation, but it looks like they're growing fast enough that, like, It really doesn't matter. Like, our drone is not making it anywhere with any sort of speed or hurry. I think all we really need is pumpkins, right? No, we would really like a bunch of carrots. We would really like a bunch of carrots too. Let me make a new script. What is this? What do you want? Oh, you ran out of water because we're watering too much. Let's lower this down to 0.1. That way, there'll be less. Why is this rotten? Oh, there's not enough water. Oh, this is a disaster. This is a disaster. Drone, you're going too fast. You're growing too fast. Where was water? Okay, we can get more water per second. Give me even more water per second. Okay, now we're happy. Now Pumpkin's happy. Pumpkin's feeling great. Okay, let's make a new function. This is gonna be all carrot. So this, we're just gonna take our all grass code and copy it and paste it in here. And then we need our thing for tilling. And we're just gonna copy this and just smush it right in here. Okay, if you can harvest, harvest. If the ground isn't till it, and then plant a pumpkin. Perfect, or a carrot. Is that, oh, we're running out of water again. Pumpkins are dying. Why are our pumpkins dying? I think pumpkin needs like some amount of water. Oh, they have a 20% chance of dying. Oh no, that's terrible. Oh, that makes it so complicated. How do I check if they're dead? Oh, can harvest always returns false on pumpkins. Oh, that's a great question. How do we make it so that it checks if the pumpkins are big? I don't know. You know, that's a great question, because like, it should say false on this one, right? So when does it clear the dead pumpkins? Just whenever it goes over it? I mean, this is very jank. This is very, very janky. There's gotta be some way. Okay, so can harvest is false. How can you check the size of a pumpkin? There's like census, right? Info? Census. Get entity type? That's a great question. I don't know how we would do that, because if can harvest is false, it's gonna be like, okay, sure, I won't harvest it. But then how do we... Oh, they joined up! They joined up! You know what? It's good enough. It's good enough. Is there anything we can quickly buy to get more of? We don't have enough carrots for more speed, but I would love more speed. So we're actually gonna stop this code and then just run all carrots. Oh, it's all pumpkin. No, it's all pumpkin. That's not what I want at all. This isn't what I wanted at all. All carrots? Hey, now we're cooking with gas. Now we're cooking. Drone, you need to hurry up and do this, because I wanna harvest some carrots. The deal with the pumpkins I don't really understand, because can harvest is false on a rotten pumpkin, but it's true on a living one. So we have no way to tell if like it's a small or a big pumpkin. You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying? It's sort of difficult to understand how we would be able to tell those two things apart. How many do we need for this? Like 500? Yeah, we still need 500. Thankfully, we have a ton of wheat. I think we can make carrots more efficient. Yeah, we can make carrots more efficient. There was also another one that made trees more efficient. That sounds good. Once we go back to our, like, staggered sort of growing, I think that'll make us very happy. But for right now, all we really need is to grow more carrots. And to think about how we're gonna grow pumpkin. So, one thing we could do is to recheck the row. And then, if they all grow correctly, we move on to the next row. But the timing is gonna be tricky. I don't really know how long pumpkins take to grow. Let's think about doing that. Let's think about doing that. Make a new code block. This one's gonna be all pump. Oh, we got an achievement. We have 1,000. We collected 1,000 carrots. We got a carrot hat. We got a beautiful carrot hat. I wish there was more music. Isn't there music in this game? No, not at the moment. Not at the moment. So give me this code. And we're gonna go... Okay, you need to be small because you're tripping me out, dog. We're gonna plant pumpkin. Okay, if you get to the end of the row, what I want you to do is start over. We need like a variable that's gonna store if it's on a check pass or on a plant pass. We're gonna say plant equals false. You need to happen like out here at the beginning. Okay. So we're gonna say, I guess we're gonna just start it as true, right? Because I'm just gonna turn it into true immediately. Oh, what happened? What happened? Why did you... Oh, we ran out of wood. We ran out of wood. Okay, just run all bush for a while. Oh, we did it! We did it! We can get faster. This is wonderful. Yes, our drone is going so fast. Our drone is doing so good. Is this costing us anything? It might be costing us wheat. I don't really remember what the deal is. Let's call this plant pass equals true. Okay. So if plant pass, then do all this. Plant just a row of pumpkins. And then else. Oh, this needs to go in there as well. And then move north. Then we need to create another variable that's like all good, which is gonna tell us if all our pumpkins are alive. Let's set that equal to false to begin with. Okay, so when it's not on a plant pass, if can harvest, if you can harvest it, that means it's a good pumpkin. So if not can harvest, I would like for you to plant entity's pumpkin. Yes? Okay. And then we need to keep track of if all of them are good. So what we're actually gonna do is start this off as true. And we need to move this in here. So that's gonna detect if we've gotten to the end of the row on a plant pass. And when that happens, I would like for you to set all true to good. No, that's already gonna be true. I would like for you to set all plant pass to false. Okay, so it's gonna get to the end of the row on a plant pass. It's gonna be like, okay, I'm at the end, so now I'm not on a plant pass. If you find any rotten pumpkins, oh god, so confusing. This drone is driving me crazy with its noise. It's truly... Can you be faster? No. We can make our carrots better soon. Oh, we made trees better. Should have planted trees instead of carrots. Drone, your sounds are driving me absolutely bonkers. Okay. So you get to the end of the row on a plant pass. You're like, okay, it's good. Great. I want you to set all good. No, I need to define it out here. All good is gonna be true, I guess. And then if we find any that are not good, we replant them. How would I know? Like, okay, it passes. All right, fine. Then on the second pass, if it finds any that aren't good, I would like for you to set all good to false. Then when you get to the end, if all good is true, then you can move on to the next row. Else, if all good is false, then I want you to set all good to true. And move north. I had to think about it, sorry. So it's gonna do another pass. If it found any bad ones, it's gonna move north and do another pass. And I want you to also move north here. I guess that's kind of redundant, but maybe this will work. Hey, try this. Oh, no, I missed one. So let's try this. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted at all. Why did you do that? If you can harvest it, harvest it. But you should still do this. There you go. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work. Plant pass. If you can harvest, harvest. Okay. It's gonna check if it's tilled and then till. Good. And then move north. If you get to the end, oh, you need to go back south. Okay, so if it gets to the end, it's gonna move all the way back down. And then we need to move north in here. Actually, move north. You're gonna go outside of all this. Because it happens on every branch. I think this will work. Okay, it's planting all the pumpkins in a row. It's checking. Oh, it did it! It did it! But it's never... Oh, it did it! It finally did it! There's one extra move north. Hey, you're not planting anything. Oh, that's because this is wheat. This is wheat. If you can't harvest it... Oh, it never goes back to plant pass. That's why. Once you get here, that plant pass equal to true. Also, there's one extra move north. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's right here. Okay, now it should work. It's planting. No, you didn't. You didn't do it. You didn't do it. Okay. Yes. All good. Okay. Plant pass. Yes. You can harvest. It's not till plant. Move north. Oh, this needs to be moved. Here. No, you jerk. You jerk. You absolute buffoon. This goes here. No, that's right. This goes here. Okay, it's checking them all. They're all good. They're all good. And then it's gonna go on to the next row. And then it's gonna check them all. And then it's gonna go on to the next row. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. He's checking them all. So good. Except checking row by row is kind of slow. Oh, he's making bigger and bigger pumpkins. Guys, it's working. It's working. It's very slow, but it's working. Oh, they all grew. And he's replacing the bad ones. And then he did the whole thing. Oh, drone, I love you. I love you. You're so good. You're so good. We need to change the logic so that it plants the whole thing and then it decides to check it. Hold on, I'm thinking. I don't want you to go to the plant pass, to the check pass, until you get to the end over here. So I'm gonna stick an and in here. No. Let's put another line in here and put another if statement. If you get to the end of the row, to like over here, that's when I want you to switch states to whatever the other one is. Yes. Do this. Okay. And then else, I just want you to move east. So now I should plant all of them first, before it goes to the plant pass. Good. Good. Okay, perfect. Perfect. This move east needs to come out of this else statement. Because that is going to happen regardless when you get to the top. So now we should go across. Perfect. Keep going, little drone. I believe in you. Perfect. Okay, so now we just need to fix this bottom section. When you get to the end of the row, let's get this again. If you're in the top right, and you're all good, you can go to the plant pass. Else set all good equal to true. And then we're gonna have a move east in here. So now it should hopefully do the entire row, the entire field in one pass. Oh, it's gonna be a little slow. Okay, it's gonna plant the whole field, then it should check the whole field. Oh, it's doing it! Guys, he's doing it! He's so good! He's so good, our little drone! The little drone that could! Oh no, that one pumpkin! Alright, we need to wait for it to go all the way across before it gets to the... Oh, you're not... Hey, you're not planting. Oh, there it goes! I don't know why I didn't plant anything on the plant pass. What happened? Oh, we need carrots. Do you guys cost pumpkins? Or carrots? Oh, planting them costs carrots. No, we're out of carrots. Oh, this is devastating. Alright, let's go back to all carrot. Go back to all carrot. This code is kind of jank for some reason. Are you not going back to the plant pass? I think he did. I think he went back to the plant pass. I'm not sure what went wrong. I think we just ran out of carrots. Can we get more speed? We need 1,000 carrots. We need 1,000 pumpkin to expand. Oh, we can make our carrots more efficient. That sounds good. And he's already going as fast as he can possibly go. Let's think about this code while he's figuring that out. Because I don't understand why, when you got to the plant pass, you didn't plant. Oh, that's because I put this in here. So now it should plant everything after it harvests. I hope. I'm not super sure about that. Oh, we're doing pretty good though. We're almost running around of wood. Hi, Ashton Nike, how's it going? How's it going? Okay, we need more wood. If... What is it? Get position Y. Come on, 2 equals 0. I want you to plant a carrot. Pronounce she, her. Else, I want you to plant a tree. Okay. So now it should plant carrots and trees staggered. Do we just not have enough trees to plant carrots right now? Why can't we plant carrot? How many do you need? Carrots. No, cause wood and hay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it cuts wood and hay? Are we just out of wood? I'm just gonna move all of this out of that if statement. Like this, maybe? Yeah, we don't have enough wood to get trees right now. I think what we could do, I'm gonna call this tree carrot. Oh, it's doing it. Oh, we're back. We're so back. We're so back. Is there ice in the hair? Yes, I'm a spider. I'm a spider. Those are my extra eyes. I have many of them. I have many of them. I don't think our trees are efficient enough. We don't have the wheat for efficient trees yet. Oh, and we're using up our wheat. We're using up our wheat. I think your trees need work. They definitely need work. Especially because we're using carrot. Can we plant offset again? Hey, you, stop it. Oh, this is the one that I made carrot. This is the one that I made carrot. I don't want you to do this. Shoot. Where's that pumpkin one? Yeah, you, get out of here. This is worse. This is worse. Why aren't you planting trees? Why have you betrayed me? Oh, right. We need to get this stuff back to where it was. There we go, it's offset now, but the farm is the wrong size. So we need to... Yeah, the trees can't be next to other trees. So... that makes it a little complicated. We can make this mod 4, and then... Yeah, right now they're not offset. For this code, they're offset. Right now they're janky because I forgot to... We expanded the farm a little bit ago, so that messed up the whole tree situation. And now we don't really have enough, what's it called? Wood to make the carrots work. Oh, we're back! We're back. We have enough wood. We're so back. We're so back. I forget why we needed carrots. Oh, even faster drone. Even faster drone. This is going okay. I forget if this is set to water. It is set to water. You can water more often now. You can water way more often. Alright, we're so back. We're so back. We have... Oh, we can unlock more efficient pumpkins. X plus Y equals 2, so like they would be sort of on a diagonal. I could do that actually, that's a good idea. I need wheat and wood, I'm pretty sure, to grow carrots. They cost wood and hay, so I also need hay in the mix, and it can't be mod 3 because the farm is 6x6, which is really annoying. Oh, we're going so fast now. We're going so fast. Can we get even more speed? It doesn't... Oh, that's max speed. If we get 1,000 pumpkin, we can grow the farm. Checkerboard? Oh, I need fourth. Oh, I see what you're saying. Like you want like a row of carrots diagonally, then a row of wheat, then a row of trees? I think that could work. It's pretty much the same as this. I feel like wheat we're gonna use a lot of because it's used for some upgrades. So that's kind of what I'm going for here now. I can make lists. Oh, interesting. I can just make like a list of plants. Ooh, okay. I can define function. Do I want to define function? Dictionaries. Oh, import functions from other files. That sounds very useful. I think I can function very useful. Hi, Bronez Jez. Function is very useful. I think that's a good idea because I keep having to rewrite code that I've already written. Functions. Use the def keyword to define a new function. Define arg. It has arguments. You can assign them preset values, and then you can use the call operator to call your function. Also, there's scopes for the variables, so you have to be careful. Hello, Pronus. Welcome in. You have to be careful about when you define your variables, because if they're outside of the function or inside of the function, they're not going to be able to be used outside of the function. You've already seen built-in functions like harvest. I have. You can also define your own functions, which allows structuring your code in a modular way. Basically, it allows you to give a name to a block of code, so you can call it from anywhere you want. Oh, I wonder if I can use like functions that I define in one thing to work in others. The def keyword says that this is a function definition. Move ender is the name of the function that gets. Move ender is the name of the function. Oh, I see. In this example, write it once, never touch it again sounds like a great time, especially because I'm extremely disorganized. This can be any variable name and can be used to call the function. Okay, that's the name of the function. And under our parameters, they go in here and they get fed into the function. Blah blah blah. Okay, let's stop this code for a second. All right, you go away. We're going all pumpkin again. All pumpkin is a little janky because sometimes the pumpkins die. No, it's reasonable. The trees can't be next to each other. I'm forced to do it this way. I wish there was some way to speed up this pumpkin process, because I'm having to recheck the whole farm because it's not like I can just, no, it died. Now it's gonna go back to the beginning. Big pumpkin, yes. It has to recheck the whole farm and it's not very efficient, but I don't have any other functions that will let me like, oh, new hat, we harvested 1,000 pumpkins. Now we can finally expand the farm, and it's not. Drone, what are you doing? We can finally expand the farm because it's not 3x3 or 6x6. Yeah, I really don't know what I could possibly do. Like, it's already searching. The only way I have to search is for the drone to go through the whole list of pumpkins and find the icky ones. Go drone. Okay, let's what else do we need? Polyculture, that sounds interesting. Oh, we need a lot of pumpkins for that. And our pumpkin code is very slow. Hey, why aren't you harvesting? Why aren't you harvesting? There you go. Thank you, pumpkin. Thank you, pumpkin. I mean, that was a lot of pumpkins in one go. I think it maxes out at 6 though. Maybe I don't want to make it this big. I guess it's only 7x7. That's not that bad. It's not horrendous. It's not horrendous, it's just kind of bad. Okay, the whole pumpkin has grown. It's checking the whole farm. It's like, I'm good. Awesome. Awesome. Just a couple more pumpkin passes. While you're doing that, ooh, fertilizer. Plants grow instantly? Oh shit. Oh shit. At some point, waiting for the plants to go is just not efficient anymore. Similar to water, you automatically receive 1 fertilizer every 10 seconds, doubling with each upgrade. Fertilizer can make plants grow instantly. Ooh. Reduces the remaining time to grow a plant by 2 seconds. Oh no, plants grown with fertilizer will be infected. What? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing here. Except the second pass takes a long time to actually complete because some of the pumpkins are bad. Maybe we should only have like 1 extra pass and just kind of go for it. But it's not like that's, oh, it's time. It's time. Okay, that's the max speed. I don't want to expand right now. Dinosaurs. Let's unlock cactus. Oh, it's 5K? That's so many. That's so many. I can unlock sunflowers. I don't know what sunflowers do. They collect the power of the sun. You can harvest that power. They work exactly like carrots or pumpkin. Harvesting a sunflower yields power. If there are at least 10 sunflowers of the farm, you can harvest one with the largest number of petals. And you harvest one with the largest number of petals, you get 5 times more power. Mine doesn't move on until the pumpkin is tended. Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. So it plants it, it waits, and then if it's a good pumpkin, it goes on. I think that could work. I don't know if that's faster or slower than this. I mean, right now it seems very slow because of this terrible check pass. Measure returns the number of petals on the sunflower under the drone. Sunflowers have at least 7 and at most 15. So this seems like we're gonna have to check the whole farm again. Several sunflowers can have the same number of petals, so there can also be several sunflowers with the largest number of petals. In this case, it doesn't matter which one of them you harvest. Okay. You can use measure in pumpkin now. Oh, that's a great thing. That's a great thing. You don't have to count because when it gets to the end, it should be fully grown. Oh, that's true. So we do kind of save a pass. I guess we're always spending a whole pass checking the field. Because if it finds a bad pumpkin, it's replanting it. As long as you have the power, the drone will use it to run twice as fast. Ooh. It consumes 1 power every 15 action, like moves, harvest, plants. Executing the other code statement can use power, but a lot less than drone actions. In general, everything that is sped up by speed upgrades is also sped up by power. Anything sped up by power also uses power proportional to the time it takes to execute it, ignoring speed upgrades. Okay, so the longer an action takes, the more expensive it is power-wise. I mean, this is going okay. Oh, you gotta do a whole nother pass. You gotta do a whole nother pass. I'm trying to think of the whole check the whole thing. That was pretty lucky. I think it'll be fine. I want to unlock dinosaurs. We need more pumpkins. And I don't know how I would work sunflowers in here. Let's try to create a sunflower code. Oh my god, the drone sounds drive me so crazy. It makes it so hard. It makes it so hard to think about what I'm doing. How can we improve this pumpkin thing? Let's stop this code. Let's make another code block. And let's call this like Pumpkinate. And we're gonna define Pumpkinate. It doesn't need anything because the largest pumpkin is gonna be 6 by 6. And then we're gonna take all this code. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. We're gonna take all this code and put it inside. I know there's no statement in there. Put it in here. I don't know if I need to run this. I assume I can just use Pumpkinate now. And then in here, oh, I might have to define it in the same code block because we don't have import. Oh, we have import now. Putting all your code into a single file quickly becomes unmanageable. Import statements allow you to import functions and global variables from other files. Here's how it works in one screenshot. So import module 2, and then we can use, yes, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Oh, but I need this as well. Oh no. Oh no. You need to be in here as well. Oh, how am I gonna access those variables from Pumpkinate? Oh, great. Okay, Pumpkinate, you need 2 variables. Plant pass, comma, all good. And then hopefully we can pass them, they get passed like Python style, so we can like set their values in the function, but it'll still refer to the functions outside the variable. I'm not really sure. Let's just use Pumpkinate. Oh, I need to import that too. Pumpkinate. Import. And then I would like for you to Pumpkinate. All good. Plant pass. How do you feel about this code? What? Oh, that's not a function. It's pumpkinate.pumpkinate. See how disorganized I am? Oh, Pumpkinate doesn't exist. Pumpkinate. Oh, it's Pumpkinate. Okay. It's going. It's in the plant pass? Did they pass the variables by reference? Otherwise, this is gonna be really confusing. No, it's all fucked up. Pumpkin, no. Pumpkin, no. You're not changing the variables in the way that I want you to. Oh, great. That's a problem. Because they're part of the logic, so they need to be like... They need to be inside the function, but also outside the function. It should pass us a copy, I believe. Yeah, it's not a reference. It looks like at least these ones, this one's it passes by value. So it's just running it with plant pass and all good. So I would need to like return them in a specific order. And this kind of gets used like Python, so I think I can return multiple statements. But we're certainly gonna have to like change this in here, and then also like inside the function. Oh, is there like ooh, automatically unlocks things. That's pretty cool. Dictionaries, lists. I don't think either of those do me any good necessarily. I don't think this code is gonna work as a function. Yeah, I don't think it'll work like this. Can I do like Control Z a bunch? I don't know how far back I can go. Oh, we're back. We're back. Is this just our regular pumpkin code? No, don't delete. Just minimize Pumpkinate for now. I'm sure we'll come back to it at some point. But now what we can do is to add some sort of like, oh, why are you crying? Oh, 'cause you're out of carrots again. No. No. Oh my god. This one I think we could define as a function. Is this no, this is tree carrot. I want offset to be defined as a function. Get clear out of here. Define off plant. Okay. So now we can call that from wherever we want. And then this one needs to check if we have enough carrots. How do we check for how many we have? I think there's like a census one. Set speed, get time, simulate. Oh, neat. Leaderboard. No, I don't want leaderboard. Wasn't there like a census one? Census one. It's num items. Items.wood. Number of items. Items dot. Oh, it's capital items dot carrot is greater than, let's say, 100. Do all this junk. Oh, this code is getting messy. This is just so much, and I can't function it out. I can't function it out. I can't brain it. This is the jankest shit imaginable. Okay. If plant pass, all that, good. No. And then else. I need you to import offset. And then else, I would like for you to do offset dot off plant. So now we don't have enough carrots. It should stagger plant. What? Why not? Oh, it's not in the right line. Dang it. You need to move back one, I believe. Okay, so right now there's not enough carrots, so it's offset planning. Oh no, now it's divisible by 8. Now it's divisible by 8. Shit. Now the trees are once again next to each other. This is a disaster. What? There's 8 now? Okay, I guess I grew the plant, the farm twice. Go back to being staggered every 3, please. There you go, that's better. Now it's better. It's better, and then it's gonna plant all this, and then once it's done with that, it's gonna go back to pumpkin. Mazes? A maze with a treasure in the middle. What? A mega farm. Spawn drone. What? More drones? That's crazy. That's crazy. Where is treasure chest? How do I unlock treasure chest? How do I get treasure chest? Is it cactus? I'm gonna unlock cactus because I need to read what cactus do. Like other plants, cacti can be grown on soil and harvested as usual. However, they come in various sizes and have a strange sense of order. Oh, maize gives treasure, I see. A cactus is considered to be in sorted order if all the north and east, I got a point in my head, are fully grown and larger or equal in size to all neighbor cacti to the south and west. Okay, so you want big over here and small over here. The harvest will only spread if all adjacent cacti are fully grown and in sorted order. This means that if a square of grown cacti is sorted by size and you harvest one cactus, it will harvest the entire square. Okay. A fully grown cactus. Yeah, top right big, bottom left small. How are you doing on carrots over there, drone? You look like you're doing pretty good. A fully grown cactus will appear brown if it's not sorted. Okay, once it's sorted, it will green again. Oh, and we measure it with measure. Oh no, it started planting carrots mid thing. That's fine, actually. That's fine. It's a little janky. Oh, but now it's not making wheat. It's not making wheat because all the soil's tilled. And oh, that's so annoying. The size of the cactus can be measured with measure. It's always one of these numbers. Okay, that's great. What happened? What happened? Why are you yelling at me? Oh no. Oh no, the codes are interlinking in a janky way because I didn't do it right. And now everything's planted. Oh, thank you, Trump. I see. Once it gets back to 100, there's like a jank pass where it's like it has to check everything once again, and it's off by 1 somewhere. Anyway, the cactus can be measured with measure. You can also pass a direction into measure to measure the neighboring tile in that direction of the drone. Okay. Oh, cool. You can measure in adjacent directions. You can swap a cactus with its neighbor in any direction using the swap command. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. We gotta like sort the cacti. Swap direction swaps the object under the drone with one object tile in the direction of the drone. So I guess we could do like one of those, what's that like slow janky sort? We just check each pair and then start passing them up, I guess? In each of these grids, all the cacti in sorted order and harvest will spread over the entire field. Why do I want it to spread over the whole field? I guess just so I can sort faster? So I get them all sorted out and then harvest once? But like, in this grid, the lower left cactus is in sorted order, which is not enough for it to spread. Okay, so only that one's in sorted order. I see what you're saying, because this is wrong. Okay, I understand. I understand. I don't want to deal with it, but I understand. Did cacti give me purple things? Hey, let me scroll. Let me scroll. It never mentioned what the heck cacti gives me. It's kind of pumpkin, but with sorting. Yeah, I guess that is pretty pumpkin, because we're gonna do like a plant pass and then a sort pass. And then it has to decide if it's all sorted. And then get to the end. That's very overwhelming. Alright, gang, we're gonna continue this next time, I think. If you like what you saw, don't forget to follow, subscribe, whatever. And I will see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching.